What's your name?
Jodi.
How old are you, Jodi?
I was 16 last week.
Oh, happy birthday. Sweet 16. Who have you brought with you?
I brought my mum and my dad.
I presume you're going to sing.
I am.
When was the first time you sang?
Ever since I was little, and it's all I've ever wanted to do.
And what are you singing today?
I'm going to be singing Don't Rain on My Parade.
Ooh.
I love musicals.
What would you like from Britain's Got Talent?
I've always wanted to perform, and to do what I love would just be amazing.
Okay, good luck.
Thank you.
Don't tell me not to live, just sit and potter. Life's candy and the sun's a ball of butter. Don't bring around a clown to rain on my parade.
Audience, love it.
Then I'll beat my drum. And if I'm found out, your turn at that, sir. At least I didn't fake it, hat, sir. Guess I didn't make it.
I can't listen to that. Can I hear something a little less smiley and just a better song? What else have you got?
Jodi, I love that song, and I was really enjoying that.
I think it's a shame Simon cut that short because I think...
Terrible shame.
It is a terrible shame, my dear. Thank you.
There is much more to that song.
Can't we finish? I honestly, I'm sorry, but I want to be able to hear her sing the whole thing. Can't we finish it? You're going to sing your first song again. Yes, please.
Thank you.
Don't tell me not to live, just sit and potter. Life's candy and the sun's a ball of butter. Don't bring around a clown to rain on my parade.
Come on, Jodi!
I'm gonna live and live now. Get what I want, I know how. One roar for the whole shebang. One throw that bell, you go clang. Eye on the target and wham. One shot, one gunshot and bam! Hey, Mr. Cowell, here I am. How much my band down? I'll beat my drum.
good girl.
And if I'm found, your turn at that, sir. At least I didn't fake it, hat, sir. I guess I didn't make it. Get ready for me, love, 'cause I'm a comer. I simply got a much
Someone's dancing now.
Nobody, no, nobody is gonna rain on my
What does he know? Take that, Simon.
He loves a bit of music. I really loved it. You know, and it's great to have lots of different musical styles on the show. You came out with a lot of determination, really won us over, and that's what we're looking for. Someone with passion and someone who wants to win, and I really got that from you.
Thank you.
I really like you, Jodi. That song is full of personality, so really well done.
I bloody loved it, Jodi.
Wow, thank you.
What I really admire is how you dealt so brilliantly with the critique and everything. You came back so much stronger. You all over Simon's parade. You need to have a strong backbone in musical theatre, and I think you're made of titanium, and I think you did brilliantly well.
Thank you, that means a lot.
Simon!
Yeah, I may have acted a little bit prematurely there. I have to say, Jodi, I'm not crazy about those songs, and I did cut you off too short, and I apologise. When you got back into it, actually, no, I'm glad I did that, actually, because you proved a point. Because you actually sang it.
Yeah, that's right.
That's true, because you came back with more excitement, more determination. And I kind of did it on purpose now I'm thinking about it.
Yeah. You always knew this was going to happen, didn't you?
I always knew this was going to happen, and sometimes you've got to push people a little bit. So I'm actually taking credit for that performance. Congratulations. We have to take a vote, Jodi. David.
I'm going to say yes.
Alicia.
I'm going to say yes.
Amanda.
Obviously, it's a yes from me.
And I am going to say yes.
Really clever what you did there. Cut someone off about sort of 10 seconds into their song.
She was better the second time around.
She had more passion because she was proving a point. Hello, I'm David Williams and you are YouTube. To see more amazing videos from Britain's Got Talent, just click on the button below. And if you subscribe to the channel, my Simon will love you forever, just like he does me. He does love me, yeah, he does, he does.